4 release candidate is out since December. An Ionic community leader is growing his reach on Instagram. New version 4 content is coming to the Ionic Academy. Scientists have found a solution for the tabs and side menu problem, and finally Ionic Studio, what it is and how you can use it. The long expected Ionic 4 version is getting closer. In December 2018 the first release candidate was released. It is a very stable version. Everyone can already use it, and we hopefully see the next stable or even the final version in January or February of this year. After some great New Year resolutions, Simon, the host of the Ionic Academy, which happens to be me, is becoming a lot more active on Instagram. So if you haven't followed him, make sure to do it now. There are a lot of stories and Q&A, Ask Me Anything coming, so you don't want to miss that. Besides 30 plus courses inside the Ionic Academy that already exist, new Ionic 4 courses are coming. There's already a 7-day crash course to get started with Ionic 4. There are 2 more courses already released on creating new projects with Ionic 4 in the latest version, and more content is coming over the next time as we see the final version of Ionic 4 released, which is hopefully very soon. After a long research, scientists, which happens to be me, have found a solution for combining tabs and the side menu. This place is maybe not the right place to show the actual code for tabs versus side menu, but you can expect a great tutorial on this case pretty soon on the Didactic blog or the Ionic Academy channel. And finally, a great IDE was announced last year called Ionic Studio. It is exactly what you think of it. It's currently not available as a free version, which might come later down this year as a community version, but with a paid plan of the Ionic services now called AppFlow, you can already access this IDE. It is awesome for creating Ionic apps. Still, Visual Studio Code remains the first place to go for new developers that just want a free IDE. This has been the first show of the Ionic Newsflash. I'm Simon, host of the Ionic Academy and the Didactic blog, and you can expect more content over the next weeks.